Okay, now let's look at another example related to repetition of input. So calculate the rate of joint information transmission for the below channel, this one. Assume Px1 and x2 is half, where x1 and x2 are set of input symbols, and this set is represented by capital X. Probability of correct reception is Q, probability of incorrect reception is P, and Y, capital Y is the set of small y's, y1, y2, y3, y4, and they are received symbol. You can think of it as x1 and x2 as a repetition of 2's. So 0, 0, 1, 1, and received symbols will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, y1, y2, y3, y4, x1, x2, this x1, x2. So this whole set is represented by capital X, and this whole set is represented by capital Y. Okay, so now everything you know. We have to first calculate the rate of joint information. Means we have to calculate h, x, comma, y, and for that we need p, x, comma, y, joint probability density function we need. Okay, so as we were doing in binary symmetric channel, first we extract the information of py given x, conditional probability density function. Okay, so from here you can see rows are x, let's say x1 and x2, and columns are y1, y2, y3, y4. When you will send x1 and you are receiving y1, then both of the bits will be correctly received, means q into q, that is q square. If you will send x1 and either you will receive y2 or y3, in both the cases it will be pq, and in last case both of them are incorrectly received, that's why p into p, that is p square. Similarly for x2 you will do, so this will be p square, pq, pq, q square. Okay, so I'll remove this. Now its job is done. So I hope you are able to see, nothing new we are doing. So the only new thing is these probabilities, which we came to know about these from the last section, last video, how to calculate this. Once you have the py given x, you also have px, that is half, half. Okay, input symbols, and you know that py given x is equal to px comma y divided by px, and if I'll multiply px and py given x, we will get the joint probability function. But we can't directly multiply these two because of the dimensional problem. If we will multiply both of them, whatever we will get is dimensionally incorrect. So what we will do is, this we have done this before, so we will arrange px in diagonal form. So half, half, 0, 0. Okay, this is 2 cross 2, this is 2 cross 4. Okay, so we will multiply these two, we will get 2 cross 4 again. Okay, so what we will do is, we px comma y will be equal to px, that is d, into py given x. So this is of 2 cross 2, this is of 2 cross 4, so the resultant will be 2 cross 4. Okay, this guy will be of 2 cross 4. So directly I'll write, it's nothing new, just half will be multiplied. So if you can see directly, I will write the px comma y, or you can say py comma x, both will be same, will be just multiply half in all the elements. Q square divided by 2, pq divided by 2, pq divided by 2, p square divided by 2. This is first row. Then p square divided by 2, pq divided by 2, pq divided by 2. and q square divided by 2. This will be the final. Means you can do the multiplication. Matrix multiplication is easy. Once you will get the value of px comma y or py comma x, you can calculate the entropy now. So I'll write the expression for entropy. So h x comma y is equal to double summation j is equal to 1 to how many 2 are there, j is row, then minus sign I'll keep outside, then k is equal to 1 to 4, there are 4 columns, then p x j y k into log base 2 p x j comma y k. Okay, this will be the expression. This we have seen before also. Now we can plug each and every element, and in place of this each and every element you can take sum it. So basically what we will do, minus will be as it is, this term multiplied with log base 2 this term, plus this term log base 2 multiplied by this term, plus this term log base 2 multiplied by this term. Likewise we will do for all the elements, and finally I'll write the expression. You can do the calculation. Okay, so it will be 2 q square by 2 log base 2, you can think of q square divided by 2 log base 2. Okay, plus 4 pq divided by 2. I think I have to log base 2 pq divided by 2. Okay, then I'll remove this, it will be clear. Okay, so now another term 2 q square divided by 2, sorry, p square. So p square divided by, this is p square divided by 2 log base 2 p square by 2. This will be the full expression for x comma h x comma y, which is what we wanted. This is our answer. Okay, you can do the calculation. I don't want to go for calculation, it will be very boring and it's straightforward, you can see that. Okay, so you can see 2 term is twice is for q square divided by 2, twice is for p square divided by 2, and 4 times pq divided by 2. You can see that it's direct, means if you can imagine. So just I wanted to give you a feel of different kind of example for repetition. Okay, till now we have seen the capacity and probability of error, but it can be framed in this fashion as well, calculating the entropy as well. Okay, so the rate of joint and information means entropy of joint probability function. Okay, so yeah, this was just a different example.